Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Drive apps tied to spreadsheets, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Google Drive apps tied to spreadsheets, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com in the address bar. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you are in Google Drive, look for the My Drive section on the left panel. Click on My Drive to see all your stored files and folders. Next, locate the spreadsheet that has the app you want to uninstall. Right-click on the spreadsheet file to open the context menu. From the context menu, select Open With. A list of connected apps will appear. Click on Manage Apps at the bottom of the list. This action will open a new window displaying all the apps linked to your Google Drive. Find the app you wish to uninstall from the list of connected apps. You may see options like Hide or Options. Click on the Options button, which usually appears as 3 vertical dots next to the app name. From the drop-down menu, select Disconnect from Drive. A confirmation pop-up may appear asking if you are sure you want to disconnect the app. Confirm your choice by clicking OK or Disconnect. The app will now be uninstalled from your Google Drive. You can repeat these steps for any additional apps connected to other spreadsheets. Once you have finished, close the window to return to your Google Drive. Your Google Drive is now free from unwanted spreadsheet apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.